What's your name? My name is Sophia. Where are you from? I am from France. Where do you live? I live in Paris. How old are you? I am 26 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on January 1st. What do you do? I am a student. What is your marital status? I am married. Are you married? Yes, I am married. How many children do you have? I have two children. Do you have any siblings? I don't have any siblings. Who do you live with? I live with my wife and children. What time do you get up? I usually get up at 5:30 a.m. When do you do morning exercises? I often do morning exercises at 6 a.m. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 p.m. What's your hobby? I am interested in playing guitar. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is spaghetti. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green. What kind of films do you like? I am really interested in horror and action films. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 6:40 a.m. How do you get to school? I usually take the bus. What is your major? My major is computer science. How did you learn English? I took classes for 3 years. How many languages do you speak? I speak two languages. Can you speak English? I can speak English very well. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is art. How is the weather? It is raining. What's the temperature? It's 24 degrees Celsius. What time is it? It is 4 o'clock. How are you? I am fine. Thank you.